Hey, what's up? Welcome to our third part tutorial about character creation. This time we're going to talk about inverse kinematics. Inverse kinematics are bone animation property that will help you to create a much more fluid and natural animation in a much more easier way. First, I will show you what happens when you try to animate or move a bone without using inverse kinematics. This is what happened. I am moving, rotating a bone, and nothing more happens here in relation of hierarchy of the bones. Now I'll keep Alt down on my keyboard and I will move the same bone and looks the difference. And all his body and all the bones that are related below will be rotated like in a real-life mechanical model. All this goes to every bone. I can leave the body like it is now, and I can move the arm. Let's move in the middle of the body. The arm. By default, Inverse Kinematics is disabled in Arttista. You just have to keep Alt key down on your keyboard. No Alt, no Inverse Kinematics. With Alt, Inverse Kinematics activated. Or you can keep Inverse Kinematics always activated, just pressing this button and will be always activated. One useful tip is to keep down the Q key on a keyboard. When you do this, only the bones will be visible and will be available for selection. This is a very useful tip when you have a lot of points in your scene and you want to select only some bone and there is a lot of bones, a lot of another points, making all the selection a very hard task.